What's going on, Craftinistas? I am back with these writing tablets from the Dollar Tree. I recently seen a video from Lyric Lover 810, and I mentioned that she did a craft in a haul that I did, and I picked up some of these tablets. I kind of went overboard with them. I was so excited at how clean and crisp this craft looked. But I picked up several of these tablets here, and these were the colors that I was able to find them in. And then I had went back because I was really into it. I made some more, and I picked up the blue. But I know one time before there was purple. Don't know what happened to it, but just in case anyone was wondering. Um, so, like I said, these are from the Dollar Tree. They're $1 each. And so the first thing I did, obviously, was take these apart. And so the reason why I like this so much is because taking them apart, you're turning your dollar, if you're going to sell them, which she's doing at craft shows, you're turning your dollar basically and multiplying it into five. So you're getting 5 for 1 out of that. And then if you're going to be using them, probably what I will be doing in a ladies ministry thing, then you will be getting 5 for 1. So showing you here, and I will leave the original video and instructions that the paper will need to be trimmed to 5 by 9.5. So I am just cutting scrapbook paper at 5 and 9.5. Now I don't have as much double-sided paper. We all know, crafters, that double-sided paper is not the easiest to find, but the double-sided paper does look the best when you open it up compared to the other ones. But I tried to use some if I could. And then this We Are Memory Keeper corner punch that I love. If you're looking for a corner punch, this is a good one. I used the 10 millimeter, which is the widest angle, and gave it a nice crisp corner. So I used the corner rounder here and rounded all my corners off. It's going to give that nice little folded look. And it's like a little wallet. So I am just going to punch that 4 times and set that straight. Now that I have that all folded, I'm ready to go over and start getting it ready. So I'm taking one of those pads. I tried to match the colors up as best as I could. I'm taking my mat out and I'm going to put one of those little pads down and try to get it so it can fold over at 2.5 from the right side. So as you can see, I'm measuring it. I have it on the corner here, and from the right side, I'm going to kind of lay it down at least around the 2.5 area. Then I'm going to fold that right side in, and that's going to be my front flap. And then I'm going to take the other side and fold it over. And that's going to be the other side. Trying to get them nice and crisp and somewhat lined up and even. Then, as you can see, that opens up there. Then once I get that done, I just need to get it all glued up here. So once I get the glue on, I'm ready to kind of line up in the middle from my 2 lines there where I scored. So while also remembering that the top where the front of it is going to be on that left side where that short opening is at. So it looks like so. So now that I've got that all nice and glued down, all I need to do now is add the little belly band, and you're going to take a strip of paper that is going to be 1/4 by 8.5. So the initial that we used for the little wallet was 5 by 9.5. We're going to use that as 1/4 by 8.5. So now all I need to do is I just put my finger there to kind of know not to go past that line, and added my glue, pulled it tight and secured it, and all you have to do, you can slide it up and down, or you can just fold in the corners and slide it out if needed. And so I take a little piece of the scrap. In her original video, she did a nice big heart that was nice and clean on there. And I like the idea that she said of leaving it clean, because I thought about putting them in your purse. Also, you don't want a lot of rhinestones or something falling off. So just something flat. So I put a little heart there, but then I thought to turn this into inspirational. So I thought to pull out my words. So in between using these Prima Live Love scrap, and then these words from Hobby Lobby in the gold is what I have to work with that are inspirational. So I am just going to pull something off of there and glue that down. Now they are stickers, so they do stick, but so I'll make sure that they don't come off. I went on and secured that with extra glue. So here I am here, showing 5 of those, and you can see all that I got out of. Actually, that's 6, but all that I got out of that one package. So, and just for FYI, I wanted to show the other that she used with these, just in case anyone was wondering. I like the other one because I can get more for my money, and this one I kept making a mistake. You're supposed to leave the back side of one of those cardboard pieces. That way you have a cardboard in the front and a cardboard in the back of 3 of those. And you can see here, you're just going to line that up. It's cut at 3.5 by 10.5. But don't quote me. If you're interested in that, watch our video. But 3.5 by 10.5, I believe. And then just using some of the words from the paper pad that I had. I think it is cute, but I went and I just wanted to work on the other one. I made a few of these, but like I said, there was more bang for my buck with the other, and it was easier for me to duplicate. So out of that one, the second one that I just showed, there are the few that I made. As you can see, they're nice and thick, but these, you can get more bang for your buck on that. And so I like these onesies there, and I just wanted to share what I came up with. And I made a mother load of them. And like I said, these would be nice conversations with the conversational hearts. So now there were 4 1/4 by 6 1/8 bags. I picked these up from Amazon. I usually have a weekly haul, and since I was making these, I added these to my little household haul from Amazon and just added the bag to my cart, and now I have these all ready to go. And see how they turned out. I just love how they turned out, and I just wanted to share how cute these were. And as you can see, they'll be ready to go. And I hope you enjoyed this. Give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. See you later, Craftinista.